Right here we have a 1/18 scale Commodore or Holden Commodore. The packaging says HSV VT2 Clubsport R8. Don't know a whole lot about the Holden vehicles, but anyway, that's what all the lettering on the packaging is. So this was sent to me by a customer in Australia, and you know who you are, Andrew. I can't get a hold of you. Haven't heard from you in over a year. I've got 3 of your models here, so if you see the video, get a hold of me, please. I want you to get these back. Otherwise, I mean, I've got to sell them. I mean, I can't just sit and hold them forever and take them to my grave. So I need to get rid of these. This is an AutoArt model. Those of you familiar with those models, and you realize that they're very expensive, especially the Commodores. These Holden cars are pretty high dollar to begin with. And this one has undercover police lighting installed that Andrew wanted to put in there. So if you know who Andrew in Australia is, you might have an idea of who it might be. I'm sure there's a few Andrews there, but maybe you want to get a hold of him and let him know that I've got his car here, and message me and we'll get it worked out. I can obviously know where he lives, so but I've sent letters as well and never got a response. So you got to do what I got to do. Anyway, again, this one is set up. You can see all 4 doors do open on this one, as well as the trunk and hood. I think I already had the hood open, but we'll go ahead and open and close that. The trunk is where the battery is located, just a regular 9-volt battery to replace. Makes it fairly easy to replace it. There are 3 switches underneath, the main power switch here. This one here controls the headlights, and this one here is for the siren. Headlights, I installed a wig-wag circuit board in there, so the first press will give you steady headlights and tail lights. See your headlights there, along with tail lights. And then when you press it again, it will give you wig-wag patterns. So you have those, and then of course you can press it, give you, it'll speed it up just a little bit, like a really erratic flash pattern. And then it'll turn off with the next press. I'll go ahead and turn the emergency lighting on. Leave the headlights off for now. You can see there in the front, triple strobe fog lamps. Each one of those single flashes are actually triple strobe. You can see front visor lighting, same setup as well, 3 and 3. Also have triple strobes with those circuit boards on that. And then interior, installed a MDT with a green work light that Andrew wanted installed in there, so that's why it's green. You can see the laptop with the stand and everything. As far as the back visor, rear visor, same setup as the front, with the same type circuit board on it. And then a red and blue strobe, each in the reverse lights, again the triple strobe pattern. And then we talked about the wig-wag headlights and taillights. We'll go ahead and turn those back on. So turned out pretty cool. The other switch is the siren I mentioned, like it's a standard siren that most builders use on their cars. I'll go through that real quick. That one has a few different tones that it go through. Each time you press it after that, it'll lock in a tone. And that press takes it off. The only thing with this model, because it was brand new when I got it, I do have the box for it and everything else. So it will come in the original box. This door, for some reason, I have no idea. I've looked at it when I had it apart to try to figure out why it wouldn't shut completely. I don't know why. Something is holding it up to prevent it from shutting all the way. I mean, it will push close. I don't know if it's something to do with the hinge or something when the car was built. I honestly can't believe that AutoArt let it out looking like this, because they're usually pretty picky, and their QA is pretty good on these type of vehicles. They're really because they're expensive, and they usually don't let that kind of stuff out, so it must have happened in shipping one way or the other. But anyway, that's the deal with it. Everything else on the car is fine. So if you are interested in the model, give me a message, shoot me a message, and we can go from there. Again, the model itself is usually $100 or more. So with lighting installed, obviously, so offers of $50 are going to be ignored. So make it, if you're serious about it, you can shoot me an offer on it. Thank you very much.